I'm going to the junkyard to find a center cap for my mom's truck and also look at the new cars they have in the back. Supposedly, they have all kinds of new cars, which is nice and all, but at the same time, new cars at the junkyard is not a good sign. Because all it means is that they've either been in accidents or they've had some significant issues that made repairing them uneconomical. Take this 2017 Jeep Cherokee, for example. This thing has half its engine missing, and while it doesn't have any body damage, given the fact that it's a known car to have a ton of issues, it's no wonder why it's here at the junkyard rotting away. However, before I get carried away looking at the new cars, I did come here with the intentions of buying a hubcap for my mom's truck, and luckily there was a Toyota Sequoia with the exact same wheels as hers. So after taking it off, I kept on walking, and that's when I came across a white 2014 Subaru Outback. This thing was obviously rolled over, and as I looked inside of it, a giant buzzball about halfway finished was in the passenger seat. Not only was the driver a douchebag for drinking and driving, but really bro, a buzzball? What are you, 12? He's lucky the accident was in a highly rated safety car, because if it would have been in one of these Corvettes, it would have been a completely different story. But after walking for a while, there wasn't really anything that caught my attention, so I went up to the cashier to pay for the hubcap, and the girl recognized me from previous videos.
Your TikTok? I seen your TikTok.
It's always nice being recognized in public, and with the total coming out to just over $3, to quote Westside Connection, today was a good day.